or let you know and improve it.
it on the basis of GitHub stars. So like if it's
Mm.
really huge, like if we compare something like Flask or Django
Mm-hmm.
and to a newly grown library like which has just been created,
Yes,
something like that.
it's just started and they have couple
Hmm.
of ideas. Let's say it is a web application. Um, okay, so they have just started. They have just created backend repository. They have just started front-end repository and setting up the CI/CD tool over it, and trying to understand how they can deploy it. So, couple of things are happening for the new project. So it is good chance to, if you know small things also, you can contribute. Your contribution will be easy. You don't have to read so many documentation and understand how it works and how it works. So code base will be smaller, uh, uh, and you will easily able to grab it.
Hmm.
Maybe you will get some problem in setting up because there is not much documentation, but you will write it. So uh, that is also one kind of contribution, right? So let's say you are trying to set up the this new project, and
Hmm.
you find some problem, you are not able to set up. So don't get irritated. The developers, if they are active in that project, they will surely help you. They also need contributors. You will be easily uh, you will be easily become the member of the organization if you did some kind of contribution, like writing the documentation. This is the problem in my system, so you will find it the solution and write it down in readme file. So that is also one kind of contribution. So this is like initial step. So if you are doing everything from scratch, you will be like maintainer of the repository after few days, yeah, after your few commits. So that is like
Hmm.
you
Hmm.
started early, you became maintainer and helping other contributors, like you will be well stable contributor, kind of lead developer there. So some give some platform where even pass out students can participate, so employees also can participate and
Hmm. Hmm.
code, and they get this type of. So there will be there can be some competition, but I think
Yeah.
both will be have some advantage and disadvantage, you can say. So one side you will get easily able to contribute and get your impression, and other part of thing, yeah, you have to understand their code base because it is already written. If it is very well maintained, then you will be easily able to pick some of the easy to fix bug and contribute to it.
Hmm.
So it's totally upon your interest actually. It doesn't matter it is big or small, both have similar project. But if
I understood, like it doesn't really matter if it's big or small. A contribution is a contribution, and we should go where our interest really lies, right?
yes,
So
exactly.
whatever, yeah, I got it.
Yeah, at the end your interest matters, because if project is
Hmm.
small, you contributed, it will become it can become popular open source project. So every project started from the first commit. So when I started that,